Uncle Daddy's Soul Food. We in the building once again. I'm feeling some tacos tonight, so we're gonna rock with some Birria Tacos, authentically homemade. Shout out to my Hispanic brothers and sisters. We have some onions, fresh cilantro, string cheese, which is mozzarella. We have our limes. We have our beef, our tortillas. Our fresh tortillas into the sauce, soak up all that goodness back into the frying pan. Turn them over. Now we're gonna go ahead and build some taco. We're gonna grab some beef. Throw some onion on there. Some fresh cut cilantro. Of course, you gotta have some cheese. Now we're gonna fold them up. Now we fold them up. Alrighty, these are about done. Uncle Daddy's Soul Food and Adult Beverages, Birria Tacos. And of course, you know we gotta have that great Kool-Aid.